If you love exploring the great outdoors as much as we do, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into 15 must-have camping gadgets for the ultimate outdoor adventure. From high-tech tools to clever little inventions, we've got the gear that will elevate your camping experience. Make sure to check the link in the description below for all the products mentioned in this video. Let's gear up and get ready to explore. Looking for the ultimate camera bag for your gear? Check out the K&F Concept Camera Bag 10 liters, built for DSLR photographers who need both style and rugged durability. This compact 10-liter bag is not just sleek, it's also waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor shoots. Inside, customizable dividers keep your camera, lenses, and accessories secure and organized. And with its padded shoulder straps, it's comfortable for long days on the go. Meet the Nature Hike BBQ Barbecue Grill Outdoor Stove, a game changer for outdoor cooking. Compact and foldable, this grill is designed for easy setup and travel, making it perfect for camping, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. With a durable stainless steel build, it's not only rust-resistant but also quick to heat up, giving you a seamless cooking experience anywhere you go. Are you always on the go but crave a fresh coffee anytime, anywhere? Meet the iCaffelas 70 milliliter portable coffee machine. This compact powerhouse delivers a rich, aromatic espresso in just minutes. With its lightweight design and rechargeable battery, you can brew your favorite coffee wherever life takes you, whether you're camping, commuting, or just need a quick pick-me-up at work. Here's why the King Camp camping chair is a must-have for outdoor adventures. This chair combines durability, comfort, and convenience with its sturdy steel frame and breathable fabric, supporting up to 300 pounds while keeping you cool. It's easy to set up, fold down, and carry, weighing just around 7 pounds, so it's perfect for camping, hiking, or even backyard lounging. Looking for a compact and powerful cooking solution for your camping adventures? The Wide Sea Camping Cooking System has you covered. This gas stove burner with a built-in heat exchanger maximizes fuel efficiency, boiling water fast even in windy conditions. Its lightweight design and easy setup make it perfect for any backpacker or outdoor enthusiast. With sturdy support for pots and pans, you can cook everything from coffee to full meals on the go. Meet the Nature Hike Aluminum Alloy Folding Table. This compact table is perfect for camping, hiking, and outdoor picnics. It's crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, making it not only lightweight but also rust-resistant and sturdy enough to hold your essentials. Setup takes just seconds. Simply unfold, lock in place, and you're ready to go. Looking for the ultimate tool for gardening, camping, or survival? Meet the Mini Gardening Multifunctional Military Folding Shovel Spade. This compact powerhouse isn't just a shovel, it's a versatile tool designed for digging, sawing, chopping, and even bottle opening. Built with durable military-grade materials, it folds down for easy storage, but is ready for any outdoor challenge. Here's a quick look at the Bosch LED Source Working Light Mini. Compact yet powerful, this LED work light is a must-have for any toolkit. With its bright, high-intensity beam, it lights up even the darkest workspaces, making every detail visible. Its lightweight, portable design and adjustable angle let you work hands-free in tight spots. Looking for a powerful smartwatch that blends style and performance? The TicWatch Pro 5 might be your perfect match. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance with smooth navigation. What's unique? Its dual-layer display, an AMOLED screen for rich visuals, and a power-saving mode that extends battery life up to 45 days. You'll get advanced health tracking including heart rate, SpO2, and sleep monitoring, plus a durable build with MILSTD 810G certification for any adventure. Check out the SwissTech 11-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool, your all-in-one pocket-sized powerhouse. This compact multi-tool packs 11 essential tools into a sturdy folding design, including scissors, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a ruler, and more. Perfect for quick fixes, outdoor adventures, or everyday tasks, it's built with high-quality stainless steel, making it both durable and lightweight. Looking for a reliable, eco-friendly power solution? Meet the Bluetti refurbished AC 1801800 watts, 1,152 watt-hours solar generator. This portable powerhouse offers 1,800 watts of continuous output and a large 1,152 watt-hour battery capacity, making it ideal for camping, emergencies, or remote work. With its quick solar and AC recharging options, you're covered whether you're on or off the grid. Looking for powerful sound in a portable package? The Tribit Stormbox Pro is the Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch. With its 360-degree surround sound and X-Bass technology, it delivers deep bass and clear audio, perfect for any setting. It's waterproof so you can take it poolside or to the beach without a worry, and the battery lasts up to 24 hours, so the party never stops. The Nature Hike 2-Person Tent, the ultimate companion for ultralight trips. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this tent is designed for hikers and campers who prioritize packability without sacrificing comfort. Its quick setup means you can spend less time fiddling with poles and more time enjoying nature. With a durable, weather-resistant fabric, you can rest assured that you'll stay dry and cozy, even in unexpected weather. Meet the Thouws1 Snow Peak Container Storage Box with Side Rail, your ultimate outdoor companion. Designed for adventurers, this durable storage solution offers ample space for all your gear, while the side rail keeps everything securely in place. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day in nature, its weather-resistant materials ensure your belongings stay safe and dry. Looking for the ultimate camping companion? Meet the FlexTail Gear Zero Pump, a super lightweight 34-gram portable air pump that takes the hassle out of inflating your sleeping pads and other gear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or backpacking, this tiny but powerful electric inflator will save you time and energy. It's rechargeable, easy to use, and inflates your sleeping pad in seconds, so you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. We hope you found some new must-haves for your next trip into the wild. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Review Palace, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. And remember, for all the links to the gadgets we talked about today, check out the description below. Happy camping, and see you next time!